Hello and welcome to Canadian Legal Alliance Weekly Video Log. I'm Christina, I'm part of the legal team, and you're in the CLA channel. So here we are again in a new broadcast where I will explain to you how it's a procedure from the moment we receive your documents until we have a sentence. But first I will provide you some background. In 2015 we achieved our first Supreme Court sentence. We set a precedent for lower courts. That means that the lower courts have to follow what the Supreme Court said. And these are the following.
Floating system is illegal. In perpetuity contracts are illegal. Deposits taken are illegal. Deposits taken in the cooling off period must be reimbursed to the client, as this is a reflection time in which any money can be taken. Therefore, it has to be returned to the client.
Therefore, if the contract has one of these infringements, it will be declared null and void, and the client will be placed in the position he was before the signature. Having said this, let's start with the main steps of the procedure. Once we receive your documents, we send it to the translator. As we are in Spain, we need everything to be filed in Spanish and, of course, attach the document in English. After that, we will check if all the documents are what we need. The main documents we need are the following:
the contracts, the proof of payment, the membership certificates. Proof of payments are important in order to show the judge when the payments were made, and that it was made in the cooling off period. Once we have all we need, we can start preparing the lawsuit. When the lawsuit is finished, we send it to the barrister, who will file it to the court.
Here in Spain, we must differentiate lawyers and barristers. The lawyer is the one who acts on your behalf, and the barrister is like a middleman who goes to the court, bring the documents, take the documents, and receive all the notifications. That's why the claim has to be filed by a barrister.
These are the main steps in a civil procedure. 1. Case presented at court. 2. Case accepted at court. I would like to tell you an exact time between steps. However, it is not up to us but rather the courts, so it can take from weeks to months. It depends on how busy they are. In this second step, a court number will be assigned to the claim, and they will also provide a procedure number. 3. Pre-trial. It is the first hearing between both parties, and the judge will ask if we can settle out of the court, and if not, he will give a trial date in case it's needed.
Bear in mind that some of the judges are deciding to write a sentence without any trial needed. That's because things are so crystal clear that they don't need to hear any more clients. But it also can happen that the judge decides to give a trial date. So in that case, the client will receive a trial date, and after that, he will write a sentence. And that's when the first instance procedure ends. To be on the safe side, I would say that these 4 main steps takes around 1 year. It can be more, it can be less, depends on how busy are the courts. But I would say, just to be on the safe side, 1 year. That's all for today. I hope I was able to explain myself. In the next video, I will show some of our offices and I will explain you more things. If you want to be updated, don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Bye.